Just in time for the holidays, Republicans seem poised to deliver a gift to U.S. businesses.
It reduces the corporate rate from 35% all the way down to 20%. And it provides a one-time low tax rate to return corporate money parked overseas, trillions and trillions of dollars.
Republicans say that workers benefit when companies pay less tax. It'll free up cash to hire employees and expand operations.
Those are jobs. That's money we want to bring back. We're going to create expensing that incentivize company to spend capital here and create jobs.
But how much will the average American really benefit from corporate tax cuts? Will it really trickle down? Even executives aren't promising much. The Wall Street Journal asked a group of them if they'd pump more money into their businesses in front of Trump's very own economic advisor.
If the tax reform bill goes through, do you plan to increase your company's investment, capital investment? Just a show of hands, if the tax reform goes through? Okay.
Why aren't the other hands up?
A tepid response, considering companies are also getting extra sweeteners, including a reduced rate on trillions parked overseas if they bring that money back home. But CEOs of major companies admit that workers won't necessarily see more jobs or higher wages, at least not right away.
What about jobs and wages? Does that argument work? Is that an area you would focus on and you would invest in?
I think principally it's not a short-term change. It's not like there's a big box of money out there that suddenly comes back and gets reinvested by us in 2018.
In fact, studies show the last time there was a similar holiday on foreign profits in 2004, about 60 to 90 cents of every dollar went to stockholders, not investment. Bottom line, the tax break was not an effective way to grow the economy, according to the Congressional Research Service. And experts don't think it'll be different this time around.
How much of that $3 trillion is likely to come back to be used to hire folks, invest in research and development, build new plant facilities and manufacturing? I would suspect it's fairly low.
But the fervor for big corporate tax cuts is helping fuel a so-called Santa Claus rally in the stock market. And you know that's making President Trump very happy. Look, the major question here is, do we really need corporate tax cuts right now? Third quarter economic growth came in at about 3.3%. That's pretty good. The argument against these corporate tax cuts is, why don't we wait until we really need a boost to economic growth, hold it in our back pocket, and then cut corporate taxes when it's really needed, potentially in a downturn?